Alright guys, so today I finally got a very interesting tool. I'm using the Osmo Action here as an interesting way to sort of film with car stuff. Yes, I have this little tool here for me to install the intake, the air filter I bought for the Golf Mark 7. So it's basically a special tool just to undo the hose clamps. So we have the car here, we need to pop the hood to get access to the air intake. There she is, the 1.4 liter single charged TSI engine, and here's the intake. We're gonna try take it out and put that special filter on it. The more high efficiency one, I think I have a clip of it cleaning it, so it's pretty clean. And yeah, need to get my special tool to undo this clamp here, and then this clamp here, then this entire box to come out. Alright, what I quickly found and learned is that there is two pegs. So basically you need to sort of pull up on it for this entire air filter to come out. Then there's two screws in the bottom over there. Now just need to get two. But yeah, that's the intake manifold. Over there, charge the coolant, the air from the turbocharger. Compressed air goes into the air intake there for the engine. And into the intake manifold. I'll just give this a quick start just to make sure the air intake mod is fine. I feel it's a bit more responsive. Oh, that's the air intake done. Hence a bit dirty, but interesting process. Had to learn a bit with the TSI engine on some preventative maintenance, and there's some cleaning. Now it's time for the wipers because it's gonna rain. So in Singapore every day in the afternoon it's raining, so definitely need the wipers to be done so that we can see clearly when we drive. So gonna get that done now. Okay, so the correct way is to turn the ignition on, turn it off, and then there we go. So you need to press the wiper down, not for the sprayer. I think I've been doing that wrongly. So yeah. Now I can go ahead and bring this tool up to replace this two wiper blades. Just need to press here and release them, but I need both hands. Alright, time to give it a test. My finger got cut real nice. Pretty numb, but that's fine. I've been working on cars, they're gonna get cut anyways, so gonna give it a try and see how good these new wipers are. Yeah, she got a bit of miles, 100,000 about there, but that's not too bad. Okay, engine on. Let's give this a try. Yay, no water streaks at all. That's pretty nice. If you ever wondered how dirty can an air filter be, maybe this is not the worst out there, but I mean, it looks like it has been used quite a lot. I don't know when the last time the service people changed it, but it looks pretty disgusting to me. Yeah, stock. Well, the job is pretty much done. And with my parents always tell me always dispose the trash properly, so if you guys enjoyed this small little car stuff, I definitely have more coming. With that, I'll say if you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.